Hey everyone, welcome back. So last time I installed a new cluster and a 10-inch Android screen. If you didn't get a chance to see those videos, check the links above. Today I decided to finish up the interior by putting in a 2018 Maxima steering wheel. As a disclaimer, I want to say before you mess with the airbag, you always want to disconnect the battery. The first thing I did was take off the old steering wheel. There's two 10mm bolts on the side that I took out, and then once I got those out, I was able to unplug all the electronics connected to the wheel. Next was the center bolt. Once I got it off, I had to give the steering wheel a little nudge, but I was able to take it off. Something that stood out to me while doing this swap was that the new 2018 wheel, it doesn't use screws, it actually uses retaining clips to hold the airbag in place. I installed the steering wheel doing everything in reverse, and for the airbag, since it uses retaining clips, I just snapped it into place. For my car, originally it came with two prongs for the airbag, but for this model steering wheel that I got, it only has one. So I'll figure that out at a later time. I installed the center nut, connected the horn, and snapped the airbag back into place. And this is what the interior looks like with everything installed. 10-inch Android radio upgrade, 2008 Nissan Maxima cluster, and the 2018 Nissan Maxima steering wheel. One thing I really liked about this steering wheel is that it gives the car a more sportier, modern look and really changes the whole feel of the interior. And it's the little things and the little tweaks in the build that make a big difference. If you enjoyed following along, make sure you like and subscribe. The next video, I'll be finishing up the interior with more LED lights, so I'll catch you on the next one.